watch what you say, Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny. You wouldn't lie to your pals now, would ya? Ed, plate! Alright, Johnny, enough fooling around. So why don't you just tell us where everybody's stuff is,
I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do anything.
What's the word, Double D?
Inconclusive, Eddie.
Well, if you won't talk, maybe your friend will. You must be the brains, huh? Where's the stuff, Planky? Fess up! Oh, silent, huh? Ah! Spiders!
Oh, leave Plank alone, Eddie. As you can see, the board is lying.
Well, Planky,